Good morning, guys. So we have been in America for several weeks now, and we have almost everything that we need for the house, but we need one more storage container bin.
At least one.
We don't want to go to IKEA as the first shot to get all of our furniture, so we're gonna try the thrift store one more time before we go to IKEA to finish our house. And we're gonna see if we can get the stuff that we need at the thrift store.
You need to bust some myths on that.
We're busting some myths.
On thrift.
What, that thrift stores are not good?
You know, all the myths.
$30 instead of $200? We'll see.
Well, a lot of people think that them stores are not good.
Yeah.
You should not be buying from them. It makes you like you're poor.
It makes you like you're rich because you save money.
Yes, so you can buy something for $300 or you can buy it for $30.
Yeah.
Ding on it.
Right.
If it's what you wanted, then what's wrong with that?
Yeah. Like, yeah, I don't see, I've never saw a problem with thrift stores. I missed them when I was in Israel because they don't do thrift stores.
The ones we have are not like here. Here, Andrea already showed you. You can find really good stuff.
Yeah.
Like
I've already got really good stuff.
Like new condition and
Yeah.
stuff, and it all looks good and matches the house. So, yeah, we'll get it.
Heck yeah. Hey! Ah! Oh my goodness! Oh, and it helps charity as well, like church ministries or Goodwill goes to help disabled citizens. They give them jobs, you know, things like that. Salvation Army is to help people that are down on their luck and maybe have criminal records and need a second chance. You know, stuff like that. Humane Society. He's putting a trash bag in there. We're gonna go to the landfill today before we go to the thrift store. Anyway, we're gonna go to the landfill before we go to the thrift store. Not after. After?
You know.
Oh, you don't want to go? Oh, you don't want to take it now? Okay.
Just getting it out of the house for this thing.
Oh, I see. Okay.
What's the Walmart bags?
So hopefully we will get 2 pieces of furniture that we really need.
Where's the Walmart bags?
Under the right cabinet. Kitty going crazy. It is inclement weather today. Really bad. Could be tornadoes even. So hopefully we will beat it up there and beat it back, because it's not until this afternoon. We've already dropped Rafael off at school. He is loving school. He's having a lot of stories, but he's loving school. Got some snacks.
Got some snacks?
Yes, I got some snacks for later.
Got some snacks for me?
I got some snacks for later.
I got some snacks. Snacks. Yoo-hoo.
I am pretty excited to get this stuff today, because if we do find what we need, we won't have stuff on the floor anymore. We have all of our stuff on the floor in the Florida room, and we'd really like to have everything put up. We're gonna go look at something that I have already found. If it's still there, we're gonna get it. We have to see if it's still there. It's like they can hear when I turn the thing on. Anyway, that was a beautiful gray bird. I think it was a female blue jay. I don't know. Okay, it's a holiday, so both of the thrift stores that we were gonna go to are closed. However, there is a Lowe's here, so we might get the rest of our lighting today. So maybe we'll get one thing done. And Aldi has a rug on sale today for, well, this week in their flyer. It is $18.99 for an outdoor rug, 6x9. Thought that was really cheap, so we're gonna go check that out. But I'm very disappointed. I saw a lot more furniture in the Habitat for Humanity Restore, so next time we go there will be more stuff to look at. But yeah, I'm a little disappointed that it's not open today, but next time. Abigail, we got something special for you. We're here at Lowe's. We're gonna look at some lighting. Look at that! Look at it! You love it? Yeah, cool! Awesome! Wow, you're a race car driver. Awesome. Oh, put your seatbelt on. Safety first, Daddy. All right, just looking for now. This is the one with the playhouse and the slide and the ladder, 2 swings, and those stability bar things. Oh. Okay. 1,000, 1,400. Wow, 2,000, 3,000. Where's the economical one? $8.99. You can get a plastic one for $150. Okay. All right. Looking at all the lights, all the pretty lights. We need 2 vanity lights. We need a hanging chandelier with a plug-in in it so we can have a light in that room because we have 0 light. 0 light at all in the room. And we have to plug in something because we don't have wiring for it. Beep beep. We're looking at the pretty light. Look how pretty. We're looking. This one's pretty too for our dining room.
1 and 1 just came out of here.
3 Ford Rangers we see. They don't make those anymore, do they?
They are remaking those.
Oh, are they? So we're gonna go to Aldi. We didn't get lighting in here. We're gonna research further. We just think we can get it cheaper. It has to be cheaper somewhere. So we're gonna research it more. We have 0 light in this room, okay? There's no fixture to hook it to, so we have to do the wiring. And we need at least 1 light, but we're gonna try to put in track lighting ourselves and like build it ourselves. And when I say ourselves, I mean Hadar and my dad. And we're gonna try to do it as cleanly and nicely as possible so it looks good. And it's flush because we do have low ceilings. So now I'm gonna go to Aldi's and I'm gonna look at this rug that is on sale. Way cheaper than what we saw in Lowe's, but I'm gonna see the quality of it and see if it's gonna be good for our outdoor eating because we do eat breakfast and stuff out there a lot. Probably be doing that on the weekends instead of school days now. These chairs are $12.99. Does that seem right to you? Nice. It's a metal chair. That doesn't seem right, does it? All right, this is Cafe String Lights. They're LED, $26.99. Connect up to 80 sets. 24 foot. Lighted like this, 22 for outdoor use. LED, 1 set of 12. It's 34 and 49. That one's 34. It's like a shelf leaner. Okay, they have this one, which I thought that it would be like that, but it's not this type. It's the felt type that I don't like because it shows everything. But it's still a good deal. $18.99, but this one's $50. But I thought it was like gonna be like this, but I don't want that. Okay, instead of getting what we were gonna get, we got 2 dressers. So we're going to use one of the dressers that we already have, and we got this at Habitat for Humanity. No, Humane Society thrift store. So like all the money that you spend there, it's all donation. All the money that you spend there goes to rescue animals. It's a no-kill shelter. So we got these, they're brand new. The story about that was she came from California, bought a farm in Georgia, and the room that it was going to go into was too small, so she never used them. They are brand new, solid wood. She paid $1,000 a piece for them. We got them at a thrift store price. So the other woman, she looked at me and she said, "Oh, you know how much those cost?" I was like, "No, but they're real wood, so I imagine they do cost a lot." Right now, dressers cost a lot of money. I have seen. So we haven't bought anything new because of that. But we're able to afford this for a thrift store price. Phone call. We do. We got a dresser. Very smart, Abigail. But do you see how black it is? I told you it was inclement weather. It is tornado watch right now for Ocala, and the storm, we are running right in front of it. It was supposed to be here 10 minutes ago, and it was a little late. So, yeah, it's catching up to us. It is really black back there. It's not capturing the depth of the blackness, but yeah, it's gonna really storm here in a minute. Wow, look at it's coming down in sheets of rain. Anyway, I saw my friend again.
Like fog.
I'll get everyone out in just a minute.
So I saw my friend again. Daddy pulled us up right next to the house so we can get out without getting wet. And Rafael has been doing super good in school.
I'm still on green. I'm not even being bad. No bad.
Very proud of him. He's doing so good in school. She actually said to me, it's really bad. She actually said he is doing amazingly well. So when she dropped him off to me, we picked him up early because it is very bad weather, and they said that the buses would not be rolling out if it was bad weather, and it's really bad weather. Like, you can't see to drive. The drops are huge. It's coming down. It is tornado weather right now. Very bad. It's so storming. He had to go through the front door, and it's wet over there.
That was a ride. All wet. 2.5 seconds out.
Shabbat shalom.
Hey, get your chillin'.
Raphael. Raphael, what did you get?
ABCMouse.com.
No. What did you get?
In there.
You made a bunny bag.
Whoa, no, that's not me.
Somebody gave this to you and left it in your backpack.
Whoa, what is it in here? Whoa, it's balls.
All right, hold on.
Whoa.
Abigail.
What is this? So yummy.
So yummy.
Whoa. What is this? Candy for me?
You got a whole bunch of candy. Wow. And grow your own gel balls. All right.
Oh, yeah. All right.
In a bunny bag.
I got candy, Daddy.
Wow.
In the bag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Easter Farms. Fresh carrots. Ooh, nice. Look what they gave him. Grass first basket. An Easter egg coloring kit.
You allow us to eat one more candy?
Yes.
All right.
I just got done making some lunch. It is still raining outside. We feel so comfortable with this. It has, dropped some tree limbs, but we feel very comfortable with like it raining and just being really chill. And probably today,
Electric.
blinking electric, probably today is like the first day that we've like really felt chill or been able to chill, because right now you can't do anything, so we're just gonna chill.
Puss in Boots, this cat.
Absolutely.
And the big one, Garfield.
We are finally getting into a really good routine.
Big book.
You love learning with mommy?
Yeah.
In Israel, it's a saying, Pesach did not come by surprise. Like, don't be surprised.
Oh.